At the market, a vendor says your tomatoes weigh about 2 kilograms, but the scale shows 1.978 kilograms. Why do we round numbers? Today we learn estimation, approximation, and significant figures. Estimation means making a quick, sensible guess. Approximation means rounding a number to a simpler value. Significant figures tell us which digits in a number actually matter. To round, look at the digit after the place you want. If it's 5 or more, round up. If less than 5, round down. 6.7 becomes 7. Take 3,847. To the nearest 10, it's 3,850. To the nearest 100, 3,800. To the nearest 1,000, 4,000. Round 47.286 to 1 decimal place. We keep 1 digit after the point. Look at the next digit. 8. 8 is more than 5, so we round up. The 2 becomes 3 because 8 pushed it up. Our final answer is 47.3. Always remember to stop at the place value asked for. Now significant figures. Write 0.004507 to 2 significant figures. Leading zeros don't count. Start counting from the first non-zero digit, which is 4. Four and 5 are our 2 significant figures. The next digit is 0, less than 5, so we round down. The answer is 0.0045. Many students wrongly count zeros at the start as significant. They are not. Zeros before the first real digit are just placeholders. Never confuse decimal places with significant figures. Remember the magic phrase, 5 up, 4 floor. If the next digit is 5 or more, round up. 4 or less, stay on the floor. This will save you marks in your exam. Well done! You now understand estimation, approximation, and significant figures. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to learn more.